Do I look like a lollipop? You gotta keep looking at me.
Lollipop, lollipop.
Lollipop, lollipop.
Guys, thank you for not proposing those women in your life. Because if he did, I'm not with him now. And somebody's craving here again. Craving. Hello!
Shit, you almost killed me. Good morning, Philippines!
Han Peter si Tira looks different. In myself. Ang tanda-tanda na ni Peter si Tira, guys. Another serving. Oh my goodness. Ang iwan ko kung saan ito. Bakit dinala ito ni Tammy dito? Ito, mga kutsilyo niya to. Hala guys, ang hala guys. Grabe naman ito guys. Tignan nyo guys, how pointy is this? Hala, tignan nyo. You know what? I have to get rid of this sa table. Kasi itong table magka-scratch ito na mapapatay ko talaga. Ito si Tammy te. So, ilagay ko to dito. And then, hugasan ko to mamaya. Itong si Tammy, no? Paano? Iwan ko na lang talaga. Anong gamitin ko niyan? Saan ko yan ilalagay? Itong mga ito. Ang dami. Ito, oh. Wag na. Ayaw ko itong mga gamitin. Ito yung, hindi ito magagamit palagi. So, dito natin ilagay. Yan. Crab, and ito, hindi natin to gamitin kasi nasa, na siya, nasa box. So, marami naman kaming knives. I-arrange ko to. Maganda to, pang talaga to ito. Magandang kutsilyo ito, pang hiwa ng meat. Ilagay natin kasi dito lahat yung mga, ni Tammy, mutya kabaliling. Naglaybog-laybog. Naglaybog-laybog. Baka ito na yung time na magamit namin yung mga binili ni Tammy. Nandun, mga dilata, mga dahil sa coronavirus. Alam nyo, takot ako nitong coronavirus talaga, guys. Hindi ko alam kung kumain yun si Tammy. Hindi yun kumain ba? So, iwan ko. Tignan natin dun kung anong ginawa. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What vacuum? This is the broken one.
The one you're selling out fish, huh? Another time.
Oh, this is not the broken one, honey.
Yes.
The machine is the broken one.
What?
A machine.
That is not working.
This is the machine.
That's the machine.
We still have to go to Home Depot. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed, okay?
I thought you were a big dress.
It's just a quick thing. Okay, so I did that before.
Yeah, for about a minute.
It will get cold again, right?
Yeah.
And you think it will be snow?
I know there's no birds to eat. I know you're telling me the birds don't have no food. I get it.
You think there's gonna be still snow?
You never know.
Never know. They miss you so much, honey. Roxy is like you are the best. Look at her, how happy she is. Look. Alina, I know you're not happy with me.
Thank you for the kisses. Okay, that's it.
The
Enough-
monkey,
enough
the
kisses.
monkey, the monkey come.
Enough kisses, enough. There's enough kisses. Okay. Guys, do I look like a lollipop? You gotta keep looking at me.
Lollipop, lollipop.
Lollipop, lollipop. Let's say lollipop. Go get it. Hurry, go get it. Chicken Misty to get her away.
They loves you, honey. They love
Trick
you.
Misty to get her away from me.
Hala, there is something. Hala. Look how happy she is, honey. Look. You know what, hon? Can I just, hon? Listen to me. If I give them bones, and then Misty she still have her bones, and then Roxy go close to her, crying closer to Misty. You know what I do? I know it's a trick, but because Roxy is like begging Misty to have her bones, so I call Misty, come here, meet, and she loves feeding, and then Roxy, no, but listen to me, but Roxy won't do it until she have to kind of like wait closer, look at Misty. I say, quiet, and then that's how she start. Then she grab it and run away. Yeah. And but she wait until I said, "Oh, hey, go ahead."
You're helping her scam the little puppy.
And because
Because what? They both had lunch? She's nurse. Because what? There's no because.
because she's whining.
What? Oh,
She cries. Hurry up, baby. Ay, it's already 3 o'clock. What's wrong? I'm his driver again, guys. So you should know.
Ask her where her car key is, guys.
The car keys in the house.
Too big for her to carry. She don't want it. It's too big for carrying.
Still in the house. I don't want to carry 2 car keys, honey.
Well, what if my battery dies? Then we're screwed.
Didn't
If you have two, you have a backup.
we pull a cut?
Hold on. Oh, hold on.
Honey, you are so mean. I just said to him, guys, thank you for not proposing those women in your life. Because if he did, I'm not with him now. I would probably in the Philippines farming. No.
Be here for me.
Hold on, honey. Hold on. Hold it first. Hold on. Honey, can you don't even know how to film. Jesus Christ, you work in the filming the thing and then you...
This is not a real camera.
Are you kidding me? This is the best camera ever. This is nice, guys. It's 3,000 bucks.
Excuse me. You know what the MS on the store?
MSR?
MSR?
Sorry, I don't.
MSR
Yeah.
store?
I'm really new around this neighborhood, so I'm not.
I'm looking for a mask.
Oh, mask? Good luck. There's none anywhere.
Here, no, Walmart.
No, because everybody with the coronavirus, everybody's afraid of it. They're buying every mask they can find.
All sales is
What is
free.
that?
Even online.
MSR?
You can't even order it online.
What's the name of the store?
MSR.
No, I don't know. It does not have here.
Okay.
Oh, no, sorry.
Thank you very much.
You're
Okay.
welcome. Good luck. I really like it.
Huh?
I really like
This is 13 bucks. 1,300. Oh no, it's
this.
not.
Machine.
It's like 3,000, no? 3,100. Mahal, guys. Yung grill na yan, ay gusto ko ba? Let's go inside na. Huh? Okay, guys. Dito tayo sa... Hanap tayo ng para sa gardener. Parang black ba? Para gawa tayo ng square. Para sa garden. Oh my goodness. 500 bucks? That's nice. 400
Is it not $1,200?
No, you cannot do that. If you don't buy me jewelry, you can. They're on sale, han. 400.
Really pretty nice.
Yeah. Is this for outside too?
No, let's just display the whole thing.
Ang mahal dito. This one, meron kami nito. We have one bag of this. You know that?
You have one bag full?
One bag, yeah. So, okay, let's go get something for the... Yeah, but it's...
Oh, yeah, you could bend it like this.
Look, it's 16 bucks, but that's the only
You
thing.
don't feel it.
Yeah, but expensive. How many?
It's really nice.
I know, but...
A lot nicer than this crap.
Huh?
A lot nicer looking than this crap. This is $66. Use this to edge the garden.
Yeah, I can see that. Look. This is like a hollow block.
No, it's not. It's like solid block.
Solid block. Sobrang mahal dito, guys. Ano mahal? $26 na lang siya. Pero maliit man siya, oy. We need soil for the for the cat's grass. Get the small bag because we don't need a big one. Ganda ng mga guys, oh. Ito, oh. Ganda nito. Magkano ba to? 12 bucks? No, I don't think so. Meron ito sa Pilipinas, no? Marami. Dry naman siya, oh. Gusto ko to, oy, snake plant. Ito siya. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to siya. Ito din.
How big it has to be?
I have a lot of cat grass, catnips. Let me get cucumber. Here. String beans. String beans. Mga maliliit man yung string beans nila eh. Ito meron. Ah, gusto ko to. Gusto ko to. Ayan sila oh. Sili. Ayan silang sili guys. Okay, hanapin natin si Tami. Asa na yung kinikigwa? Hey, what are you looking over there? Oh, mayroon. Marami pa sila dito, guys. Oh, they have hot pepper, guys. This is a different one, guys. Let me try. Hala, guys. This one, I want this. This is the kind, guys. Ito siya. Pero ito yung gusto ko. Ha? Meron silang pichay. Swiss chard. Ano to? No, I don't want that string beans. They don't have the giant string beans. Oh, they have one. Look, they have, guys. This is the one. Wait, I still have in the house, so I want to get more. One, only one. Yun lang yan.
The other sample color.
It's right there.
There's only one.
It's still there, under there. I have samples here, guys. Look.
Okay, you get in and start up the car, and I'm gonna walk over there and have a cigarette, and you can drive over.
Why you walk?
That's fine. You can't start it without a car.
So I can drive it without a car key?
Yeah, that's the problem with these things.
Maglakad daw siya patong PetSmart kasi manigarilyo daw siya. Kaluka itong asawa ko lang.
You want me to like stretch all the way out to?
No, it's like it's regular. Just do it regular thing. Anyway, guys, so kind of tilt it this way.
Which way?
Here to me to you.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. That's what is so funny. We get out from Home Depot, Pet Park, and now ShopRite. We just get some vegetables, and somebody's craving here again. Craving. Hello! Shit.
You almost killed a squirrel because you're talking to a camera.
It's not about the camera. The squirrel just freaking popped out.
If you weren't looking at the camera, you would have seen him. That's all.
Squirrel, do like this. Oh my God! Luckily, I don't fucking kill any second squirrel. That's almost my second squirrel. For a squirrel, I seriously like he's trying. Oh my shit! I almost.
She's trying to single-handedly take out the squirrel population.
Oh my God! Well, I don't kill it. He keep running.
That's why I see posters with your picture on the trees. The squirrels are posting them. Watch out for this girl.
Anyway, so yeah, guys, we came out. Somebody's craving. Tom is craving with porky. You know, we have a diety, but he's not really diety.
How much do I eat? But yes, I want. So let's.
It's traffic here, guys. So we found grass for the cats, and they are not even like fully grown, right?
The grass?
Han, don't smoke, Han. Don't smoke. Use your other thing, Han. God, you're gonna kill me. That's what your goal is. Kill me. So, ito yung binili ni guys, namin. And why you get Gorilla Glue again? We have Gorilla Glue. Cucumber to and cut grass, tomato, catnip, cucumber, sili, guys, catnip, another different sili. Hello, you get a lot of cut grass, a lot. Batong, different catnip. What kind of catnip is this? Catnip, oh my God. And this is all about cat. This is all about cat. The nosy cat. At meron tayong kinukuhang color. Mga different color ko. Pagpilian ko sila para ipinta doon sa doon sa wall.
I'm trying to
Don't
dry
wipe
stuff.
my back.
I'm trying dry stuff.
You know that's really bad. You know that's really bad. You know that's really bad.
Well, she got distracted by steak. Look at it. Get your nose off of that. When she comes up to do something, she look.
Yeah. Do you like the Shanghai?
Yeah.
Especially if it's crunchy. That one is not crunchy because I hated it. Yeah, that's supposedly crunchy. So you like it?
Yeah.
And the sauce also is perfect, right?
Yeah, like a duck sauce.
Yeah, I like it. Roxy, that bark, Roxia, it's really aggressive. Huh?
She says, I don't like being ignored, so you guys should like pay attention to each other.
Tommy, he's waiting for his bone. The bone. Because you eat your dindin. Okay, guys.
So now when you cut the turkey, you cut like this, it makes slices.
Guys, I'm hungry. Tanggalin ko lang itong freezer burn. Ganito yung freezer burn, guys, kapag ganyan, oh. So, yun. Ito siya, freezer burn. So, tanggalin ko lang siya. Ayan. Nag-boil ng asparagus. So, yun yung gulay namin. And, bumili din kami ng gravy para bukas. So, kakain kami, guys. Ito siya, guys, yung niluto kong asparagus. Tapos na siya. And, ito yung color, guys. Color na ano. Tignan ko sa alin yung bagay doon sa doon sa wall. Yung steak, pina-fry ko lang siya, guys. Kasi siya, ang ginagamit kong oil, guys, I know sobrang mahal itong oil na to. Pero yun yung gamit ko na pang-fry. Especially kapag andito si Tami. Kapag fry siya para kay Tami. Kasi olive oil talaga. Kasi healthy naman siya. Pero hindi naman siya ano. Kapag mag-fry ka talaga, guys, dapat ano siya, sobrang init ng oil para hindi kakapit yung oil sa meat. And then, mamaya, i-ano mo siya sa paper towel. So, yun siya. Para kasi kapag hindi mainit yung ano, kapag hindi mainit yung oil is, kakapit muna siya sa ano, magsusok sa meat. And then, yun. Kailangan talagang mainit before mo siya ilagay. Look. Yeah, look at it, guys. Nakaputi. Black and white. Nakaputi. That's the thing that he ordered on Amazon. Did you watch that? And do you know the thing is downstairs? The light stuff. Just put it on the floor. I'll bring it. Just put it on the floor here. That's not going to the attic. Kain lang kami, guys. So, yun yung sa akin. Yun yung kay Tami. Nag-movie date na naman kami, guys. Yun na lang yung ginagawa namin kasi parang masaya naman siya. Ah, I know what you're watching. I forgot. You always watch it.
What's name?
Any meeting, any appointment, you have to show up.
This is Miami Vice. This is Miami thing.
Oh, burn notice.
Burn notice. That's burn notice. Your steak is burned. Hey guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Hindi ko nagustuhan yung steak.
No, they don't.
Kunin ko lang yung laptop ko kasi nakalimutan kong gumawa ng ano, thumbnail. Hello. I'm Daisy, honey. I'm going to get my laptop. I go down here. I just need to put thumbnail.
Yeah, your buddy, Bill from my...
But anyway, I'm going to end this vlog kasi katulugon. I'm very sleepy, guys. Nanonood kami ng show lang, hindi movie, and then I'm so sleepy. So ngayon. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Ano ng oras? Ay, almost 9 o'clock. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Night, Han. Night. I'm gonna end the vlog. And
Guys.
yeah. What? Yeah. Sleepy. I don't know why. I woke up early this morning, that's why.